10.
Square root? I don't know.
It's correct. That because square root of 100 is 10. That because 100 is 10 by 10.
Okay.
And then 5, 1, 1. And then let's make 9, 9, 9. And then something else. Minus 0. 1 plus 1 equals 18. It's 18. Is that correct? 86 or 18?
Mm-hmm.
That equals minus 0 is nothing. That equals 0 is nothing. Also, I can do this in grade 2. Some other marks in grade 2. Like 9 times 10 times 9. 10 times 10. Oh, wait. Let me finish the next paper. And then after that, 100 plus 0 is 0. And then 1 plus 2 is equals 3. And then 1 times 1. If is 10 times 10 is 100. 9 more times 1 is 100. It's 99. Is that correct, Daddy? 99.
Mm-hmm.
And then also 1 times 4. There is some also say some in breaking like this. On this, on this, on that's how we
How about this? This is correct.
that
What?
break two
What?
of the roots is like this.
Okay. How about this then? 100 plus 0 is equal to what?
100.
Why you put 0?
I said I do for not divide. There is some divide in grade 2. So
Okay.
divide for is 9. And then
Square root. How about the square roots? Can you make sample?
I forgot 100, 100, 100, and then 144. This is 12. Is that 12? The root of 144 is 12.
Mm-hmm.
There is some 12 roots on grade 2, like this. That's a map.
Yes.
This one is for grade 2 and grade 3. And 1 times, wait, I don't need unit 10 into 121. Let me do a bagel here. So what the
Division. Make a division.
wait, 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 times 1, is that still 1? And then 9, 9 is less than 8. Is that correct, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
That's a map.
Yeah.
And then the also you can do this. 18 and 1. This is less than. That one is less than. And this is greater than. So last one lagi more from grade lang. Like from or more or 40 or like I already more that in after the grade 7. The first one is hungry.